Hello and welcome back to another day in the life video. For those of you that don't know, I'm Harvey. I'm a data engineer, aspiring AI engineer, and today I'm going to take you through a day in the life, doing bits of work and doing some building of an MCP server, which I will explain more about later. But first, I gotta go water the plants and make myself a coffee. So now that that's all done, I can go through what I'm going to be doing today. So I've got work, so obviously that means stand up in the morning where we go over what we've been doing, if we've got any issues, and what we're going to be doing going forward. I'm on quite a small team at the minute, the machine learning ops team, and I'm looking at how we get data into machine learning pipelines. And then got a bit of a catch up with the head of the AI team because I'm doing kind of bits with that team as well. Like I say, trying to move more into that direction of an AI engineer. And then around lunchtime, I'm going to do some work on my MCP server, my model context protocol server, and I'll take you through what that looks like, what I've been doing, show some bits and bats throughout the day. Enjoy. I just don't like the inconsistency of it, because obviously Outlook and Teams are linked. They're like one. If you authenticate for one, it authenticates you for both. So this is my second coffee, and I'm currently just doing some Terraform testing pipelines. Essentially, I'm trying to get some Microsoft Fabric resources into Terraform. We've got quite a complex, convoluted mono repo that it has to go into, so I'm just trying to fit into those standards. If it was up to me, they'd be separated out a bit more. It's quite complex, so you've kind of got to make the process fit. Well, your work fit the process rather than like adapting the process to fit all the work, which is a bit annoying. And it's just failed, so that's great. So yeah, I'm gonna go and fix that. Alright, AI geek break. I've been playing around with something called Model Context Protocol, or MCP, and it's essentially a toolkit blueprint for your AI agent, and it essentially allows them access to context through using tools and functions and APIs that are built in. So to do this, I built a little MCP server, which essentially you connect it to an AI agent like Claude Desktop or GitHub Copilot, and it allows the AI agent access to the tools on that MCP server. And I built an MCP server for interacting with Azure storage blobs and containers. So using the tool, my AI can now have the context of containers and blobs on the Azure storage account, allowing stuff like listing containers, listing blobs, reading and summarizing what's in a blob, and then like down the line adding in stuff like, I don't know, like inferring schemas or being to download and change blobs and re-upload them. But essentially it's endless in terms of the tools that you built into your MCP server. So I've actually just spent most of the time writing one test that wouldn't work because first of all, it couldn't import the MCP module, even though it's part of the virtual environment. I checked, just couldn't import it from main to where the test was. I'm sure there's a better way of doing it than what I did, but essentially I have to like mock all the system modules. And then I'm only testing like a resource, which actually just returns a list that's kind of like in memory of the MCP server, literally just kind of cache list variable when we do the list containers. And then if you want to get like the latest list, that is the output of list containers, well, the last time that was run. I have no idea why this still isn't working. It's not breaking when I run the server. How's it access? The resources aren't breaking anything. I wonder if the URI is not complete, so like I have to use latest / containers. I don't know. It's just not working. Pissing me off a little bit, if I'm honest. Yeah, I don't get why I can't access them. Maybe it's my AI agent or whatever. I'm not sure. The other tools work fine. I'll keep digging into that and then we'll see. So yeah, should be awesome. Disclaimer, I do want to get this finished, and it's annoying the hell out of me that I can't get it finished, but all a learning curve. I'll figure it all out. Right. Now I've got it open. Time for time lapse of putting it together. Right, I'm gonna finish up there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, make sure you catch the next one.